Hi, I'm Simon Fu from Software Support, and today I will be showing you how to migrate your Linux endpoints to server protection for Linux. Please note that Sophos Antivirus for Linux will no longer be supported after July 20th, 2023. Make sure that you migrate your Linux endpoints before this date. To complete the endpoint migration, we will need to uninstall Sophos Antivirus from the server, install Server Protection for Linux, and then verify the migration in Sophos Central. Before you can set up Server Protection, you will first need to uninstall Sophos Antivirus for Linux. Note, you cannot run Server Protection installer over an existing Sophos Antivirus installation. If you try this, you will get an error message. Now, to uninstall Sophos Antivirus for Linux, log into root, go to /opt/sophos-av, execute /uninstall.sh to start the process. Once Sophos Antivirus for Linux is uninstalled, return to your Sophos Central dashboard and download the Server Protection for Linux installer. This is named Sophos Setup.sh. Before running the installer, you will need to change the permission of the file to executable. To do so, type chmod space +x space Sophos Setup.sh. Now, run the installer to start the installation process. Type /Sophos Setup.sh. Once installation is complete, return to your Sophos Central dashboard. Go to Server Protection, Servers. Here, you'll notice there are now two entries for the same server, one with protection listed as Sophos Antivirus for Linux, and the other with Server Protection. Manually delete the server with Antivirus for Linux. Now that Server Protection for Linux is installed, our final step is to validate our installation and version. In Sophos Central, go to the Server Summary page. Under Assigned Products, you will see the product name and version. Take note of this information. Then, from the Linux endpoint, go to /opt/sophos-spl/plugins/av. Execute the command more version.ini. The output will display the product name and version. If migration was successful, this should match the information listed in Sophos Central. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know by giving us a thumbs up on TechVids and let us know if we resolved your issue. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com. And go to techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.